DJI, the trailblazer in drone technology, is once again stirring excitement in the drone community. Whispers about the next big thing in their legendary Mavic series are growing louder. Meet the rumored Mavic 4 Pro, a drone that's poised to push the boundaries of aerial photography and cinematography to new heights. With the Mavic 4 Pro, DJI is expected to redefine what's possible, raising the bar on cutting-edge camera capabilities, extended flight times, and groundbreaking transmission technology. Let's dive into what we might see from this highly anticipated drone. One of the most talked about upgrades is the camera. Rumors suggest that the Mavic 4 Pro will boast an impressive 8K resolution sensor. That's right, 8K. Imagine capturing videos with unparalleled sharpness and clarity, positioning this drone among the elite in aerial imaging. Professional filmmakers and content creators will find themselves with a new powerhouse in their arsenal. Not stopping there, the drone is also rumored to feature a 48-megapixel main camera, delivering breathtaking still images. Whether you're shooting sweeping landscapes or capturing intricate details, the Mavic 4 Pro is set to deliver shots that rival even the most advanced cameras on the ground. Video capabilities? DJI might be pushing the envelope here as well. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to surpass the current Mavic 3's 5.1K at 50 FPS, potentially offering new options like 8K video at 30 FPS or 4K at a blistering 120 frames per second. Fast-paced action, smooth slow-motion shots, whatever the situation calls for, this drone could handle it with ease. Now, let's talk about something every drone enthusiast craves: more flight time. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to offer flight times beyond 50 minutes. That's a significant boost from the Mavic 3's already impressive 46 minutes. Imagine spending less time swapping batteries and more time capturing those perfect shots. Longer flights mean more creative freedom, whether you're exploring vast terrains or covering complex projects without the constant need to recharge. Reliable communication between pilot and drone is crucial, especially for long-range flights. DJI is rumored to be introducing OcuSync 4 technology with the Mavic 4 Pro, potentially extending the transmission range up to 25 kilometers with a crisp 1080p video feed. This cutting-edge technology would ensure strong, stable connections even in challenging environments, giving pilots the confidence to explore farther while maintaining full control and visual clarity. While DJI has yet to confirm the exact details, insiders predict that the Mavic 4 Pro could make its debut as early as late 2024 or early 2025. As for pricing, expect it to be a premium product, given the rumored specs, though DJI will likely position it competitively to cater to both professionals and serious enthusiasts. As anticipation builds, drone enthusiasts and professionals alike are eagerly awaiting official confirmation. With rumored features like 8K video recording, enhanced flight time, and industry-leading transmission technology, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro could be a game-changer for aerial cinematography and photography. Stay tuned. This could be the drone that redefines what's possible in the world of aerial imaging. The Mavic 4 Pro is more than just an upgrade. It's the next evolution in DJI's dominance of the skies.